Okay, we're recording this webcast, how to find the best penny stocks with AI. My name is Sergey Savastuk. I have a PhD in applied mathematics. I used to teach at Santa Clara University here in Silicon Valley. And I also been trading hell of a lot, studying different companies. Now I'm leading Tickeron.com. Tickeron.com is a SEC registered company, so that means we cannot tell you any BS, which can be told you by other companies, and you can read our ADV Part 2 form. I'm not going to make all other stuff related to this introduction, and I'm not going to be talking a whole lot why you need AI algorithms. And then with regard of the penny stocks, the market cap should be less than 300 million, or stock price is less than $3, okay? I'm going to skip today basics of trading plan development because you can get it pretty much in any of my webcasts. The same thing, your odds of trading success and instant trend group analysis. I'm going to be jumping right to the demonstration. I will start from the point where and how you can set up the entire system for the penny stocks, okay? So first you have to click here, free trade signals, and leave only penny stocks, okay? From this point forward, all the signals which we generate are going to be for penny stocks, okay? As you can see, there is odds of success, which is pretty much pre-calculated back testing. And then you can read about any company by clicking here and reading what's going on with these companies in these news and articles, okay? So this is about the trade signals. And if you want to get a report, let's say of medical specialties, so you can click here, medical specialties search, and then what you're gonna get is to reduce it also to penny stocks. And now you're receiving, as you can see, 67 stocks in this report, which is, as you can see, group highlights, industry highlights, and all the signals which are associated with the penny stocks for these industry medical specialties. If you want to find out whether or not that group is buy or sell, you can click on the scorecard right here. You see, this is the list, and you see the scorecard hold. What it means it's kind of this group is not moving to the one direction. Penny stocks are typically not moving into one direction, but you can exclude from this list anything which you don't like, and then you're going to see how this direction is going to change, okay? This is about the signals, and you definitely don't want to rely just on the signals. You really want to see what's going on with the overall performance, which we say buy or sell right here, or you can move to the description of this stock. As you can see, it's a capitalization only 44 million, price $2, and the liquidity is very low, as you can see looking at the daily chart. Okay, now next step, I'm going to show you how to set up a screener for penny stocks, and I will show you how you can move from screener to the other modules, okay? So as you can see, it is set up here, stocks including penny stocks and penny stocks, okay? Now, as you can see, these are we cover about 1,200 penny stocks. And in order to see what's going on like within a year, you can see that some of them moved to about, let's almost 2,000%. It's a daily volume. Oh, I'm sorry, yeah, it's a daily volume. It's a price. Okay, as you can see, yes, there is about 1,000% of the growth, but the main problem with the penny stocks, these peaks, which are pump and dump, quite a lot of people trying to create this pump and dump situation. You see, this is another pump and dump. This is another one pump and dump. So what they do is to pump and then gradually sell, and the people trying to buy, and they keep selling until it gets to the same point. Okay. Uh, so in order to really use this screener, what you can do is to say, okay, let's say you want to reduce, let's say, scorecard, and then yellow. Let's say we want to look only on buy opportunities, okay? Buy, okay? So how many of them we're going to have? We have 683 stocks where our rating is buy, okay? And the question is, okay, how to reduce that number to the reasonable number of analysis and avoid the pump and dump situation. So you really now want to move to the price action. And what we're going to do, we're going to take, okay, what is the real kind of good volume liquidity, let's say over 650. We have 114 stocks. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to take these stocks and then analyze the price action, okay? So you see, that's a lot of action. Now I can load more. Okay, so now I have buy, and now I'm click here, and you see my blue bar becoming active, and I'm going to, as you can see, move it to the pattern search engine. Okay. And now I have these 100 stocks, and I'm gonna put it here 300. So I here confirm confidence level. This one is pretty good. 100%. It's oxymoron. Should not exist. But there are some price actions here. As you can see, some of the stocks are giving us pretty good. That one, let's say Marathon Pattern Group. Let's say Hidden Shoulders. We click here. And then we see what's going on. This is a Head and Shoulders bottom. You can make like 4% on this one. As you can see, this is a Head and Shoulder pattern, kind of moving up. Yeah, it's actually almost did make it to the breakout. As you can see, this pattern really worked well. Okay, if you'd have caught that on the right time. But it still might go up. Actually, I would really consider that as a moving up stock. Okay. So let me look at others. Ecor, September, Ecor, this one, cap and handle, not confirmed. Okay, let's look at the only confirmed. Not, yeah, no, only confirmed. What it means confirmed, what are the patterns? The patterns are those structures which we discover using AI. And that's one of the famous pump and down stock, and it looks like it can moving up. Let's see whether or not anybody pumping up again. Um, yeah, you see that was discovered. Yeah, it's a possibility. In order to look at this more, be careful with this stock. A lot of people got burned with this stock. I will show you pump and dump. Uh, let's see. So what is the about 278 million valuation, 6 month. Yeah, you see, this is a classical pump and dump. Okay. So a lot of people bought it right here, right here, right here, and then keep going down, and that's here. Okay. What you want to do is to look at the high volume purchases. You see, there was a lot of activity here, but it did not confirm. So as you can see, it's a buy. Maybe it's gradually going to be moving up. It made 2% today. It's $1. Obviously, it's a penny stock, but that's a good example that we discover here a pattern. And yeah, perhaps it might go up. Okay. What else is we can see here of interest? Uh, It's a daily pattern. That's where you really want to look. Pharmaceutical, okay. Another cap and handle, October 8th, confirmed. Okay, let's look at that one. Pharmaceutical, you can make 8%. That's what there's a prediction. 31 million. It's real penny stock NBY. Um, let's look. What was whether or not there were some other pumps and dumps. Yeah, there were some pumps and dumps. You see, so that means it's a possibility some coin to start pumping. Okay, so how to find the pumps? Okay, what we can do is to go home. Okay, and look for the signals where from news we can extract news with a good volume. Okay, so how we're going to do that? We're going to go here. Okay, and you see this price volume. Let's click on volume. So now we get into the specifics of finding such news, such signals where the volume is a leading type of indicator, which shows that there is some price action based on volume. Okay, so you see plus 476 volume up. Okay, so you see there was some bumps on most likely purchases, and then AI making conclusion that this volume might be moved. And you see another volume jump. Uh, what else? 150. You see, this is a volume action, okay, which we discovering. You see yellow lines, okay, 200%. So what is that? 474% jump in the volume. That's where some people are starting pumps, right? So you see, first was a drop significant, and then a bump, pumping up. Okay. You see a 200% increase in volume. 1700% increase of volume. That's where pumping is starting. You see also it's a good start of a pump. Okay, so just analyzing the volume with penny stocks, you can really be ahead of the game, and that's where our signals showing. You see, but still today we have about what 10, 20 signals. You see by pump. Okay, you see how the volumes are growing with these companies, and then you can pick up these precious metals. Okay, you see that's a possibility. There was a pump, there was no dump, so that means there's a potential kind of support is being discovered. That's a good opportunity, so I would do like that. Go here and analyze that stock, see the history, and then maybe there is a opportunity. Let's see what's going on here. It was a small drop. Let's look at the buy. Okay. Yep. Yeah, you see there's a clear support. Let's look at these charts and find and analyze that support. You see it's a support. Yeah, it's a good opportunity to buy. Okay. So let's summarize what we can do here, which is the taking the news, okay, taking the news, looking at volumes. That's the one way to find ideas, and looking at the screener and moving the screener to the parent search engine, or you can also move it to the real-time parents. So instant pattern search, you see, now we can find the patterns for the short-term price actions for that group, which we extracted in the screener, okay? So that concludes our webcast. It's a short today. Not a lot of people interested in penny stocks, so that means we're not gonna spend a lot of time on that, okay? So I'm gonna stop sharing, and then next time we will see how much interest we're gonna get for the crypto currencies, okay? So I stop sharing, and you can see this webcast online sometime tomorrow.